Well, here we're looking at the Dow, and we talked about the fact that in our other video yesterday, that prices hit our target here. We had to call for the market to move to 17, the Dow to move 17,350 to 17,360, and we hit 17,350.64, so correct within about 64 cents, and we saw the market really close really under that significantly as it sold off, and then we saw the continuation of it. So in reality, over the last 2 days, we saw close to a 200-point move to the downside in the Dow. And what's, I think, very significant is prices are holding right at these prior tops. I mean, here's your prior swing top at 17,150, and that was again the secondary range of what we talked about here. And we were also talking about this potential of this inverted head and shoulder formation, and said that a lot of times you get that throwback here, but what we've been seeing is divergence here, significant divergence in this moves, and then we see this significant volume added with this other action. And I really think that if we start to see this break through this through the 17,150 level, that we could see a move easily into the 1700, and this 1700 and this 16,900 level, I think, is going to be extremely significant. If we break through those ranges, I think we start to see the Dow really come in. And if we're going to see any of these things take place, I think we start to see it happen within the next month here. I think this is what we're starting to see. These kind of moves right in here. When everybody starts to reevaluate, wow, the market does it look a little toppy to you? And they start looking at all these high price stocks and a lot of stocks that just seem very, very overpriced for what they are. And I just think that it's very difficult when you start to see these kind of you have something, say, Priceline, and that's at $1,200 a share. You're seeing say Netflix at $440 a share, and I just think that it doesn't. I just think that eventually it shows where the overall market is here, and I just think it's had a very nice run. I think it's getting very vulnerable right now for corrective action, and I think we really need to watch carefully here for any violations of these major ranges, because we see the break of those ranges. I think we'll see a pretty good move in the Dow to the downside, probably occurring before the end of October.